dear audience, welcome back once again. This is the very lovely place. This is onion field, as you see that. This is so nice and it's very lovely place for me that definitely when I go anywhere, any places, any new area, then I would like to record my voice. That's the thing. Today I am here, and one of my cousin who is watering his land. As you know, over there is a deep tube well where the water is flowing by this plastic pipe. As you can see that, definitely this is the very beautiful. This is the lovely. This is the lovely zone. I love this type of beauty as well. Thanks for watching.